Hello kids, good morning to all. Welcome to the English class. The main objective of this class is to teach you how to solve an unseen passage. In order to solve an unseen passage, you should read the passage very carefully and write the meanings of difficult words also. Let's start reading a passage and you will write the meanings of difficult words with me. Now open your Comprehension and More book on page number 3. Let's start reading the passage. The name of the passage is The Ants and the Grasshopper. Kids, you know ants are the small insects and the grasshopper is also a small insect. Now write down the meaning of grasshopper, a small insect. I-N-S-E-C-T. Grasshopper means a small insect. Now let's start reading. It was a cold winter morning. Some ants that lived in an ant hill under a tree began to bring their store of grain to dry in the sun. Kids, write down the meaning of ant hill, a pile of soil. Ant hill means a pile of soil. P-I-L-E, pile of soil, S-O-I-L, a pile of soil. Write down the meaning of grain, seeds of rice, wheat, etc. Grain means seeds of rice, etc. S-E-E-D-S, seeds of rice. Kids, in these lines, you can see it was a very cold winter morning. Some ants lived in an ant hill. They began to bring their food to dry in the sun. Clear? Now next is, a grasshopper quickly came up to them and begged them for food. Kids, write down the meaning of begged, asked. A-S-K-E-D. Begged means asked. A-S-K-E-D. Please spare some grain to save a dying hopper, he said. Spare means give. Spare means give, G-I-V-E. Kids, a grasshopper came to the ants and asked for some food. Where is your own store of food? The ants asked. I spent the summer singing and dancing, replied the grasshopper. The sun was so golden and the air so sweet that I didn't feel like doing anything else. The ants asked the grasshopper about his food. He replied that he had only enjoyed golden sun and sweet air in the summer season and he didn't feel like doing anything else. Did you not think about the cold months ahead? Everyone knows that it is too cold to look for food in winter. I never think so much, answered the grasshopper. Kids, write down the meaning of answered, replied. R-E-P-L-I-E-D. Answered means replied. Well then, said the ants, you can sing and dance through winter also. The grasshopper replied that he did not think about the cold months ahead. Now the ants told that he could sing and dance through winters also. The poor grasshopper understood that he should not have wasted time in summer. If only he had worked when the sun was shining, he wouldn't have had to starve in the cold and sunless days ahead. Write down the meaning of starve, to suffer from hunger. S-U-F-F-E-R, suffer from hunger. H-U-N-G-E-R. H-U-N-G-E-R. In these lines, the poor grasshopper realized his mistake. Now kids, it's time to discuss cross questions. First question is, where did the ants live? Answer is, the ants lived in an ant hill. Next question is, what were the ants doing when the grasshopper came to them? Answer is, the ants were bringing their store of grain to dry in the sun. Now next question is, who came up to the ants? Answer is, the grasshopper came up to the ants. Next question is, why did the grasshopper beg the ants for food? Answer is, the grasshopper begged the ants for food because he did not have his own store of food. Next question is, did the ants give the grasshopper the food he wanted? Answer is, the ants did not give the grasshopper the food he wanted. Next question is, how did the grasshopper spend the summer season? Answer is, the grasshopper spent the summer season in singing and dancing. Now next question is, did the grasshopper realize his mistake? Answer is, yes, the grasshopper realized his mistake. I hope that you have understood how to solve an unseen passage on your comprehension book. Let's recall all the points again. Now, first point is, read the paragraph thoroughly. Number 2, focus on the main points. Number 3, write the meanings of difficult words. Number 4, after reading, read the questions and find out their answers from the paragraph. Thank you.